October is National Depression Awareness Month, and one man has a message of hope for those struggling. 6 on Your Side's Madeline White joins us in studio with more.
Dawn, Children's Home Society of Idaho aims to counsel people who may suffer from depression or other mental health diagnoses by providing support and coping mechanisms to their patients at a young age. For children at this behavioral health center in Boise, Executive Director Anselme Sadiki has a message of hope to share.
It gets better.
Idaho Department of Health and Welfare reports that Idaho has the 8th highest rate of suicide in the U.S. How can we combat this? Sadiki says it starts with our children, and more specifically, this.
Access to services that could help them to control and manage whatever illness they have.
Under his leadership, there's been a 40% increase in children and teens who have come through their doors.
Became something that grew out of me to really realize that if we were to change the situation, if we were to improve the conditions of lives for many in my community, we needed to take care of the children, especially.
Better conditions, something he hopes to give others, but for him, as a child in the Congo, mental anguish was no stranger.
I had my first sandals when I was about 14.
Becoming the oldest of his 11 siblings after 5 of them passed away from diseases like malaria and chickenpox.
When you are lucky to even make it to 5 years of your birthday, that means it's a miracle.
With continued efforts at Children's Home Society, he hopes to be that miracle for someone else.
It does matter for just that one life that we can touch.
Idaho's Children's Home Society provides mental health services to approximately 100 patients per day, and they hope to increase that number as well. You can learn more at childrenshomesociety.com. Live in the studio, Madeline White, 6 on Your Side.